This is 716 Horse Stable. Large driveway, two-car garage. The front porch area. Tile on the entry here. Good carpeting. Down here there's a powder room, vinyl, big family room. Kitchen is vinyl. Backyard. You can hear the jets today from the Air Force Base. No landscaping, but a big backyard, big patio. All the appliances are here. Some storage under the island here. Curtains are still here. Let's run upstairs. All the carpet's in great shape. Some little touch-up stuff. Drywall things. Some on the corners. Little scuffs on the paint. May need some paint touch-up. Little spot on the carpet. It's the only thing I've really seen. Maybe a couple here. More curtains. Kind of see the mountains. Master bedroom. You can see the walls a little dirty from the bed. Vinyl. Two sinks. Laminate counters. Tub shower combo. Walk in. Laundry room up here, washer and dryer. Secondary bedroom. Walk-in closet. Bath. Same vinyl. Another bedroom. Looks out to the street. This wall's a little dirty. Overall, it's in terrific condition.